warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey there guys, what's up? Back again with me. So today I want to tutorial for you guys on the expression. So before we go into that, be sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and then share it with your friend. Okay, that's enough. Let's go. So the first is, what's your step? So in Indonesia is hati-hati, hati-hati berjalan. The meaning is like that, and for the example of what is it? The what's that's the sentence is, what's the meaning? So what's your step is like if you walk, and then there's there's you don't know what in downside what you're stepping, like you stepping, almost you step Lego, and then you heard someone that warn you, watch out, watch out, there's a Lego. It means you being warned. Okay. Second is, so the second is, this takes too long. The meaning of Indonesian is, ini terlalu lama. What the meaning in Indonesia, but in the meaning what's that is, you like you doing homework, and then you said, crap, this is take too long. You mean like you sad and depressed, and then you want to like want to do go out playing, yeah. And then the third one is, so the third is, I'll be right back. So in the Indonesian is, nah, aku akan segera kembali. The meaning of that sentence is like you can do accept like the shorten one, like for example like BRB, like AFK. BRB is like BRB is supposed to like be with get along, and or AFK is usually for gaming stuff. It usually do. So what's the meaning of that sentences is you want to do like something. For example, I want to for gaming, but I have to pee, and you call your friend, and then your something friend, family, do what you want, and you can say, I'll be right back. So the fourth is I love you in the first sight. The meaning of the Indonesian is, aku cinta padamu pandangan pertama. Which mean the meaning of the meaning that sentences is, for example, you just walk around, you want to buy a book, but you look right, and then in the what's it called? This is like, this is you, this is the road, this is your the love first sight. You mean like that's your first love. Say, okay. The last is the fifth is. So the last is the five is, I got to go, or you can say, adios baby, yeah, that's right. And what's the meaning of Indonesia is, for the translation in Indonesia, I mean, is saatnya aku pergi. Nah, oops, and just for the Indonesian language, I don't want to use that. I have to try my English. Okay, back to laptop. And oh yeah, sorry, I'm so confused. So what the meaning of the I got to go, or you can say adios baby. is for example, like you done the for your project for gaming, and you want to go home first, and you can call your friend or your family, what else you want, and you can say, I got to go, I need to go home soon as fast as possible. So yeah, then basically that's it. That for the learn that I've learned, and don't forget to be sure to leave a like again, subscribe, and share with your friend. So bye guys.